So hello everyone, welcome here, and today I am just adding a new video after previous video. So here we will discuss about select command. We have already see in previous classes that drop what is the use of drop, and how can we create a database, and etc. a lot of things. And after that we are going to see that select command is mainly used to select the all the data from our table, or any from our table, uh, to fetch the data. Okay, so you can see here, it will be just giving the output. You have already seen the previous classes, and after that we are going to using a new command, select. Oh, I'm so sorry for that. Uh, select select ename means employee name from employee table. From table means, how can you fetch a data? Suppose if you are on a table, and then how can you fetch the data? Then you will write a command, means you will say that select to the our hard disk, please select employee name from employee. Select employee from employee. Oh, I'm so sorry for that. Select employee name from employee table, where employee name like this. Okay, so here underscore is using, and after underscoring we are going to use I, and after I we are going to uh, use modulus. It is mainly used to like operator. Here we are going to use like operator. Today we will also learn about like operator. Okay, it is a very important class, because we are going to use here like operator in our SQL programming language, SQL structure query language here. Okay, so here is a command, select employee name from employee table, where employee name like this. Okay, so here one space will be anything. Okay, from our tables, but should be a second letter should be I, and also after second letter anything may be okay, means if name will be that, like suppose Ritesh is also first line, first letter is anything. Okay, and second must be I, and also after second anything. Okay, it is, yes, it is working, it will be print. Okay, but if we have a Raju, Raji, okay, Raji Kumar. Okay, so what will be happen here? So it will be see that 1 2 3 4, in fourth position we have I, and what will be happen here? It will be not compilable for that string, because we should in second letter I, and after I maybe anything. Okay, so it is not working, no. And Ria, it will be compatible or not? You give the answer. It will be compatible, yes, because R, one letter is anything, maybe anything, and also after second letter means must be second letter I. Okay, second letter is I, and after I anything will be happen here. Okay, so it is working right now. So after that we are going to see what will be happen here. So run this code with the help of control and enter pressing, then it will give the output employee name, that is Ritesh developer. Okay, and why is it giving the output? It is just selecting from the our table name, that is employee from employee, because we are going to write a command, select employee name, only employee name, and here we are going to use all operator is used to all the data for fetching the all data. Means employee name, employee department, and employee ID, and etc. lot of things. Okay, whatever in our table, inside our table, And after we are going to use a select command to also particular data. Okay, so we are going to say that to the hard disk select employee name only. For employee we are ename like that. Okay, and it will be give the output here. I hope you are getting all these points. And after that, in 12 line we are going to see select employee name from employee where job equals to web developer. Okay, select employee name from employee where job equals to a web developer. So what will happen? Can you give me answer? uh, I hope you are not, you are give the you can give the answer. Okay, because you are very wise persons here. Okay, so it will be give nothing, any output. Okay, so what's happening? Unknown column job. Oh, job. I have already replaced it by department DPT. So now this time it will be working right now. Okay, so for running control and enter, then it will give the nothing, any means null, no any return. Okay, because no any name inside a employee table where department is web developer, because we have a one particular person that is Ritesh developer, uh, but it is not web developer. A web developer, okay, means it is not not working. So again we are going to fetching this data. Okay, so what will happen here? You can see, then it will be give the output Ritesh developer, because we have just edit here. You can also ask me question that can we do these things? Means we can edit here. Yes, we can edit here, because table is the main thing, but data is not main thing there. Okay, so it will be not data will be so table will be not edit. So it is what's happening here. When we are going to edit and then run, then it will be insert. Okay, insert, we are going to insert, then it will be inserting the new data. Our hard disk will be understand that it is the new data, because we have edit here. Okay, so hard disk will be understand and then it will be accept, but here it will be not working. Okay, I hope you are getting. Yes, very good. And after that we are going to use the select command employee name from employee where department is web developer. Then you can also see here Ritesh developer is naming here of employee, and here select name from employee where job equals to app developer. So inside our table no any app developer. Okay, so what will we give the output here? Nothing output will be give. Okay, so you can run control N, you can easily see here. Okay, so today you know about like operator, you learn about like operator, and asterisk means all operator, and how can we fetch the one particular data from our table, and how can we insert the table, how can we create a table, how can we drop the table, how can we manage our tables. Okay, and after that we are going to see in our 15th line of our SQL program. And this code, what will be happen here? Create database XYZ. So XYZ will be created here. That name is XYZ. Okay. So so databases no okay. Create databases. So it is just give the error, can't create database XYZ. Database exists. Okay, so our data is database is already exist here. So first we, if you want to recreate, then you should drop that table and again you can create okay, and then you can create table that is xyz, and after that we are going to show. No, we have already showed that, okay, and after we are going to see that here we are going to use the xyz, okay, xyz, control and enter. So now this time our Emacs will be deactivate, replace with the xyz. No replace, it will be deactivate and it will be activate databases, okay, because here we are going to use xyz. Use means we are going to active for active, uh, sorry, to active our database, new database, okay. When we are going to use a new database, then what will be happen, it will be um, active and previous database will be deactive, okay. Yes, very good. And after we are going to using, after using we are going to see that we are going to we have a table that is a table name is a student s details. S details means a short form of a student details, and here we are going to create a table that name is a student details, and here we are going to uh, create a table inside our xyz database. There are 1 2 3 and 4 columns, that is in id number, and second one is a student name, and third one is age, and fourth one is department, okay. So unique keyword is mainly used to uh, unique. What is the meaning of unique? As you know, okay, you're right. Unique means no duplicate entry, okay. So unique means only one in our table, can be in our table, exist in our table, okay, can exist in our table. So create table, we are going to command, we are going to say to our hard disk that create a table that name is a student detail means s details, and we are going to say that we must be four columns, and integer id number, integer types, and it will be unique. Means we are going to say to the our hard disk that you will not support, okay, duplicate values for id number. And after that we are going to see here that a student name, we are going to see inside a student we can pass the, we can also use the unique keyword when we want to only unique names. But in a um, in a particular IT sectors you can see that in one sectors, in one department, they have a lot of persons with the name, same name, okay. So we are not using here, okay. And after that we are going to, as you know that what is the meaning of varchar in previous classes and whatever. And after that we are going to size here 20, giving the size 20, and after that we are going to, as will be in integer format, then we are going to use integer data type, and after we are going to use department for varchar data types, and here we are going to passing 20 blocks, mean inside 20 blocks will be our department will be, okay, here. And then it will be create a table, there have 5 columns, and after that we are going to insert the data to the our table, inside our table. Insert into a student details, s details, values. We are going to say to the hard disk that we are going to insert, means we are going to add into insert into a student details, kya, what values, okay. So we are going to write our data inside a block, okay, inside a block. So here we are going to passing the all four data for particular columns. So for one column, that is the id 101 will be insert here, and this name will be here, and age will be here in decimal also, and here BCA means department will be here insert, okay. So you can see here that we are going to inserting all this data here. We are going to inserting here all this data, okay. So what will be happen if we are going to inserting the same data? So control D is mainly used to duplicate values, and we are going to control enter, and then what will happen here? Duplicate one entry 103 for key a student details ID number. So I already said to our artist that we should not any duplicates ID number. So how can we do that? Okay, so our hard disk is giving the so it is just giving the error, okay. So if you want to see all the data of your table, then you can see here with the help of select command, select all from is details, okay, and then we are going to run this, okay. Fetch this code, fetch this command. So ID number is here, name is here, this is here, and also department is here. So you can also ask me that why is it just giving me only 18 output is of this particular decimal value? Because we are going to use here integer data type, so it is just giving inserting only in integers, okay. Yes, very good. And after inserting and everything, we are going to see here and after analyzing our data, I'm just going to dropping our table, okay. You can drop the table with the help of drop command, drop table and drop table name, okay, to delete or update data, okay. And after we are going to use show tables command to show the table. No any table here, okay, because we have already delete here, dropped here, okay. Show table status, it is used to show the status of your table. And after that, descending table student details, descending table student details, this command is used to descending orders, okay. So descending order is mainly used to descending data, okay. So we will discuss about this command after some times, and before that we are going to see here that we have a command, that is select command, select department from a student details order by department. So I have just drop that, so I am just recreating all these things and reinserting here all this data, okay. And then we can see here student details is table, so tables, then it will be also see here select department from a student details order by department, then you can understand here, okay, what will be output here. You will see control and enter, BCA descending order. So have same department, then it will be means it will be mainly used to descending order, is mainly used to descending order your data, to arrange your descending order in your data of your data. Select a department from a student details order by a student name. It will be automatically inserting, it will be already, it will be by default arrange your data in descending order. Okay, and here we are going to use descending, and here ascending, and everything here. You can also use these commands. Select surname from students order by surname. Okay, descending order. So you can see 1 2 2 3 4 5 in it is the format of descending, means order by is default descending order arranging, and select surname from student details order by department. Okay, you can also see here, and after that we are going to discuss here how to fetch the data from table. Select command is used to fetch the data from the table. Select command. Okay, so I've already discussed with you that select command is mainly used to select command is used to fetch the data from hard disk, from database. Okay, so we are going to use a select all from a student details. This command is used to select the all data from and so all data to so multiple column data. Okay, and here we are going to use select command, select surname from a student order by department, and select distinct keyword. Distinct keyword is nothing but it is mainly used to this distinct command is used to show unique values, doesn't duplicates. Okay, select distinct student name from a student details order by a student name. Then it will be give the output only 2, descending order 1 is Ritesh and Ritesh 2. You will see here descending order 2, and means I am sorry for that, order by means it will be by default ascending order will be arranging the data in ascending order. Okay, okay, in previous commands. And here we can see that what is the use of distinct keyword in our program. So it is mainly used to show the select the fetch the only unique data from our hard disk. Okay, yes, and after that select distinct integer id number department from student details, id number and department, id number and department from order by id number and this department descending order. So I hope you are getting what is the use of descending and ascending or order by. Order by mainly used to by default ascending order arrange your data, and you can also use descending or ascending name to ascending the datas. Okay, yes, and after that we are going to see, and here we are going to insert into a student details values are here. Okay, so it will be insert the data inside our table, that is a student details. Select id number and department from a students, then it will be give the output only id number and department of a student details. You can see here. Okay, select department from a student details, it will be only department give the output, department's data, all data. Select distinct student name from a student details, it will only give the output not duplicate. Okay, then Ritesh and Ritesh 2 and Rahul. No any duplicates here because inside our table we have 2 Ritesh 2. Okay, but here only one Ritesh 2. So you can understand what is the use of distinct keyword in our SQL program. And select a student name from a student details order by a student name descending order. Okay, so it will be arrange the data in a descending order. Okay, so here all the data will be all the data will be phases of surname of a student details table in order by descending order. Okay, how to insert the data into the table? Insert into a student details and values here 100 and Dramita and 25 and BCA. Insert. Okay, so it is inserting inside our table, and after that we are going to use command. After these things, now we will discuss about delete update command. Okay, so how can we delete and update all these things in our table through these commands? We will see. So first of all we are going to create a database, that is Liligeny store. So it is just giving the error that it is just already exist here, and then we should drop to recreate database. Drop database, and database name is Liligeny store. Liligeny stores, then semicolon, and then colon and enter, and then what will be happen? It will be drop the database. Okay, and then we are going to recreate, and after we are going to show no, we have already showed that. Okay, and after we are going to active that database. That what will happen if we are going to active this command? At that time what will happen? Liligeny stores database will be active, and all the previous databases will be deactive. Okay, so it will be happen here. Okay, so we are going to see that what will be happen. We are going to use. Okay, and after using we are going to drop the table, because okay, it is just giving the error because I have already dropped that. Okay, and after we are going to creating this table. In this table, as you know that command for creating a new table, create table and table name, and inside parameter we are going to passing how many types of we are going to create a row and column, and row means column. Okay, how many you can answer, how many you want to create a row, sorry for that, column. Okay, and we are going to passing with the data types. ID number will be integer data types, and employee name will be varchar data types, means strings, and here we are going to passing the blocks, means size of a string, and here we are going to post, means department, post means department also. Okay, and here we are going to use varchar, means for your string, and here we are going to passing 20 inside this parameter to it is used to creating a blocks, size of a string. Okay, and after that we are going to use city, creating a new column that is CT, and we are going to use varchar, and inside varchar we are going to passing the 20 flogs, means size of CT will be uh, 20, inside 20, okay, between 0 to 20, and country will be also varchar, means string types. And after creating this table, we are going to inserting all these things, all this data inside our table, all these values inside our table. Values means data, okay. Insert into a details means insert, it is mainly used to command is used to insert the values inside our tables, okay. So insert into e details. Insert into e details is nothing but name of our table, that is insert into table name. Insert into table name where you want to inserting, and values that is here, okay. And after that we are going to select all and to fetch the all data from our hard disk, then it will be give the all output, all these things. And after we are going to select all from employee details where country equals to USA, means it will be give the output who is living in the USA, then it will be give the output all things, means all employee name with ID number and post and city with country also, okay. So it is give the give the output that is 101 all the data, and USA is here also, so it is also give the error. No, oh my, so sorry, it is not give the error, it is also printing, and it is also giving, okay, because data 3 persons are in USA. So it is just saying command that asking command that select the all data from student details, e details means employee details where country should be USA, okay. So you can see here that 101, 103 and 104 here, okay. And after that we are going to see a select all command for from employee details where country equals to USA. So it will be also see it will be also give the save result, okay. And here we are going to use the like operator. Like operator, as you know, in previous classes we have already discussed about select all the data from details, employee details, where employee name should be like first letter will be anything, second letter must be yes, okay. Second letter must be yes, second letter must be yes, okay. Then it will be print, then no any data is here, okay, which is second letter is S, and here here any name which have S included, then it will print. Then you can see we have 3 names which have S, okay. So it will be printing right now. And you can ask me that underscore is why using and why using modulus. So underscoring using to space, that is in this space any letter may be, okay. But here means first letter anything, anyone can be, and second letter must be yes, and after second anyone can be here, okay. And also here after before S and after S letter any letter will be exist, then it will be print will be select from the table and fetch to the console screen, okay. And after that we are going to use the select command from a student detail e details, where in name like this, means 1 and 2 places here, means 2 letter will be anything maybe, but third letter should be S, and after third letter maybe anything, okay, letter, okay. So I am just giving the output. So here you can see rec and resu 1 2 3 and 3 index number we have S letter, so it is just giving the output. Select all, we are going to use select all command. Select all, then it will give the all data about this person, this person, this person. And here we are going to select command with all from employee details where country like this. Okay, means first letter will be anything, second letter should be S, and second letter, after second letter anyone can be exist. Okay, so you can see what will be happen. Receive. Oh, what's happening here? It is just giving the output, that is DC, RISSI, Sivani and Risu. Country like, oh, I am so sorry. Here, here select the all data from employee details table where country like no name, country like we like this. Means country should be second letters S and first letter anything maybe, and as after second also anything can. So here we can see USA have second letter is S, so it is just giving the output all these things. And here you can see select country from employee details where country equal to select country from employee details details where country equals to USA. Oh, select country name from employee details where country equals to USA. What will happen? You can see USA. Yes, right, I'm right. It is just giving the output. Okay, and after we are going to see select all from the details where ename like this. So what will happen? Say first and second letter may be anything. Third must be yes. Okay, third letter must be yes. Then it will print the all data about all the data about employee with the help of employee name. Name should be third letter is, you can see Rishi and Risu. And after that we are going to creating a new database Lily store 2. So it is just already existing, so it is just giving the error. Use the Lily store 2, then it will be used here. And after that we are going to create a table, create table inside this database, create table details, ID number, integer, and employee name, worker, post worker, and everything else here. Inside this database we are going to create a table that name is e-details. There are 1 2 3 4 5 columns, that name is ID number, employee name, and post and city and country also. ID number will be integer format, then we are going to use the integer data type, and we are going to use here varchar in, because integer employee name will be in the string format. And here we are going to passing the size of our string, maximum size of our string. Okay, and here we are going to use maximum size of a string 20 again, and column name is post, and here also name of column is city and country. And all these things, all these for all these strings 20 byte size. Okay, 20 blocks will be created. And after we are going to inserting the data into our tables. So first one column will be responsible for first one data, second one for second, and third one third, and fourth one fourth, and and fifth one for fifth. And after creating the data, drop table editals. So first of all we are going to drop the table, drop table editals. Okay, so it will be drop, then we are going to create a table, this table, and we are going to inserting these things, these values. Okay, and after we are going to show the tables. So we have two tables, editals and editals 3. Okay, now this time our Lilygenea stores 2 is active, and after that we are going to drop this table, and after that we are going to create a table, new table. So for inserting any table, for inserting any data values inside any table, we are going to use this command, insert command, insert into table name and values. Okay, so it is the all about of our first and second class. After this class we will also discuss about a lot of things. Okay, so I hope you have already getting all these points. So today I am just stopping this class. Okay, so last 10 p.m. Okay, and I'm just so our class is stopping right now. So after this class we will also discuss about the new things here. So let's bye. I will meet you again and again in next video.